Hi, I'm Suna. We're here today to visit Erico Motorsports. It's the dealership of John and Taya Beldock. I've been lucky enough to be working with the Beldocks to redesign the Ducati area within their showroom to make the Ducati brand presence stronger and more defined.
I think people walk in and they can definitely see the whole brand identity of this area. And they walk into the store and it's immediate. That's Ducati. That's where I get Ducati clothing.
It's the wow factor. I mean, you want the wow factor when somebody walks in.
I really think this has been an incredible process.
In terms of what I do at the dealership, it's a bit about a marketing and PR person's dream. Everybody loves when you take the lump of clay and then mold it into the sculpture. I mean, everybody loves that process, and everybody wants to read about that process, and they want to, in pictures, see how that process happened. I mean, that to people is a very exciting and amazing thing to see. And so, from a marketing and PR standpoint, I can take that process and put it out there in the Denver market. People like, newspaper reporters and television reporters. And for instance, the Denver Mayor's Design Awards are actually going to come here to our party to actually see the show. So people are very interested in it, and it creates a buzz in town that all of the advertising dollars that you could possibly throw out there cannot buy.
Coming into the back of the showroom, this is where all of the bikes are actually showcased. One of the things that I talked to John about was his love of the old classic bikes and the simplicity of their design. I designed a museum wall for John to display the old Ducatis. With the placement of Ducati at the back here, it was perfect because it draws people in using the full height of the showroom in here. And then you come in and all the new models are down here on the floor. You walk 360 degrees around the bikes, you can see all the elements of them, and they look like beautiful pieces in themselves. The other thing that we decided to do was use some of the heritage graphics and blow up large format images, the feel of, and laying this rubber flooring, which we dropped the dynamic D into. And again, dropping a semicircular sofa on top with two armchairs to sort of resonate that dynamic D and keep the strip through it as a pathway. It's worked really, really well.